Buenos dias. All right, we're doing a quick conversation, practicing talking about the furniture in our home. So number 1, write the answers to these questions in Spanish. ¿Cómo es tu dormitorio? Oh, what's your bedroom like? Mi dormitorio es, and you go on. Or, so, mi dormitorio es grande, tiene una cama, 2 comedores. I'm going to go describe quite a few things about my room. ¿Cómo es tu cocina? I'm going to start the same way. Mi cocina es más o menos grande. Maybe I'm not even going to say if it's big or small. I'm just going to say mi cocina tiene un refrigerador, un horno, una estufa, una mesa, 5 sillas. So you can talk about that. ¿Cómo es tu sala? Same thing. You could do the I. En mi sala hay una sofá, 2 sillones, una estantería. Pues 3 estanterías en mi sala. So go ahead. You're going to write all of this down. Then, number 2, you are going to find 1, 2, 3, 4 different partners. You're going to write the partner's name, and you are going to ask them, ¿Cómo es tu? And you're going to ask each partner about a different room. ¿Cómo es tu baño? We didn't talk about baños up here. That would be a trickier one for them, but you could. ¿Cómo es tu dormitorio? So my partner is telling me about their room. My partner is Bob. And I asked him about his dormitorio. And he starts telling me, mi dormitorio tiene una cama. Okay, maybe his room has 2 camas. 2 camas. Shares his room with his little brother. Whatever. So you go through, you write all the things that are in the room. He might say some other things about it. Mi dormitorio es pequeño. Small bedroom he has to share with his brother. Poor Bob. Okay, so you're going to do that. You're going to write all the things. There should be a decent list of the furniture and the different things. Okay? Last thing. ¿Cuál es tu cuarto favorito? Mi cuarto favorito es el dormitorio de Bob. ¿Por qué? Because tiene 2 camas. I don't know. He has 2 beds. It sounds real exciting. You could jump from one to the other. That's what my little boys do. Okay. If you have any preguntas, ask the teacher. Buena suerte. Practicing out loud will give you better practice with the conversation, speaking the words, and which is what you'll have to do for your exam. Okay?